Hello children, welcome to your next science class. Actually, we have completed this 10th chapter, that is respiration in organisms, right? Now, you are going to write classwork content. And see children, we are not going to follow ditto book back questions. Book back questions, you will have to find out and learn the answers. I may ask questions from that during the exam, okay? But in your classwork, I want you to write descriptive writing. You should learn to read entire content, understand and write. You are in CBSE. So, CBSE questions will be twisting questions based on the understanding. So, if you write exactly straight answers for the book back questions, that questions may not be asked in the public exam. See, this 10th question patterns are different. And 6, 7, 8 being small children, they are giving some sample questions at the back. But we are not going to write answers for that. Okay, till 6th standard it is okay. The question is given, you will write answers. From now, descriptive. What is descriptive? Actually, now also I will give some questions which will cover your entire lesson. So, while writing the answers, while preparing for that, you will cover almost all the content of the lesson. Then from that, if we ask twisted questions, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So first now take your classwork. Listen very carefully. I am going to dictate you questions. You will have to write the questions with the page number. I will tell you in which page number the answer is there. But I will not mark and give you. You have to read out that particular page and for sure the answers will be there. You can just copy it. Have you got it children? In your classwork, already you have written some questions. I want you to get writing practice. And I don't want you to get confused whether to write in the rough note or homework note or classwork. So from the beginning, I told you write everything in the classwork. Okay. Now, you take your classwork, listen my audio and write down the questions which I am going to dictate with question numbers and heading with page numbers in bracket. Then after finishing this video, you can start writing again from the beginning. Write the question and answer one by one. Okay. So now first write as answer the following questions. And there are 2 mark questions. Now whatever questions you are going to write, you write as in bracket 2 marks. All 2 mark questions. Question number 1. How do living organisms obtain energy? See, you are in higher class, so I want you to listen my voice and write clearly. Don't expect me to write question and answer sent to you just like first standard, second standard. Okay. So question number 1, how do living organisms obtain energy? 2 mark questions. I am giving you 2 mark questions. The heading is 2 marks. And first question is how do living organisms obtain energy? Page number 134. You write in bracket 134. After finishing all the questions, you can take that particular page and you can find the answer and copy it. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you can discuss with either your friends or you can send a voice message to me. You don't make a phone call to me. Through your WhatsApp, whatever doubts you have, you just send one voice message. I'll reply. Okay. Now question number 2. What are the different parts of human respiratory system? What are the different parts of human respiratory system? Page number 135. Question number 3 under 2 marks. What is cellular respiration? What is cellular respiration? Page number 141. Now you write Roman letter 2, 3-mark questions. What is this? Roman letter 2, 3-mark question. Question number 1 under Roman letter 2. Draw the diagram of human respiratory system and label the parts. Draw the diagram of human respiratory system and label the parts. Page number 135. What is the page number? Page number 135. So your heading is 2 marks. Sorry, heading is 3 marks. I'm sorry, your heading now you are writing 3 marks answers. 3-mark questions you are marking with the page numbers. After finishing this video, you will have to write one by one. Okay. So the second 3-mark question is differentiate breathing and cellular respiration. See, some questions already you could have written. Write again. See children, this lesson is really very important lesson. You should know everything thoroughly in this lesson. So, please don't ask me a question. Ma'am, already we wrote these questions. Do we have to write again? You have to write again. Already what you wrote is homework. Now you are writing classwork. In this, again if the question is repeated, you will have to write. So now under 3-mark heading, differentiate breathing and cellular respiration. That is your question. Okay. And the page number, oh my god, I forgot to note, and it is given in okay, page 142. Okay, you just note down page 142. Now we will go to 5-mark question. See, now you have gone to higher class. You will have 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks and so big 2 pages, 3 pages answers, which is called 10-mark questions. Okay. So now you are going to write 5 marks question. Your heading is 5 marks. Question number 1. Explain the various steps of respiration. Explain the various steps of respiration. Page number 135 and 136. Page number 135 and 136. Now question number 2. Brief about the mechanism of breathing in human being. Brief about the mechanism of breathing in human being. Now page number 137 and 138. This answer you can find in page number 137 and 138. Now describe, third question under 5 marks, describe about the 2 types of respiration. What are the 2 types of respiration found? That you have to write. Describe about the 2 types of respiration. Page number 141 and 142. Page number 141 and 142. Now the last question under 5 marks. Brief about the respiration in plants. Brief about the respiration in plants. Page number 144. With this 5-mark questions over. Now 10 marks. You write as 10 marks. Each question carries 10 marks. This is elaborate answer. Question number 1. Explain about the various parts of the human respiratory system in detail with functions. Sorry, listen. Explain about the various parts of the human respiratory system with function. Explain about the various parts of the human respiratory system with functions. You have to describe entire parts. See, they have given all the parts, right? Starting from the nostrils. So you can write page 135 and 136. Starting from page 135 and 136, you have the answers. See, if you can able to understand and write in your own points, you can write, but there should be no spelling mistakes or meaning mistakes. Okay, you be little careful with that. Now next question. Question number 2. Describe skin and air hole respiration. Describe skin and air hole respiration. Page number 143. The answer is there in page 143. Now question number 3, the last question of your detailed 10 mark answers. Explain gill and lung respiration with the diagram. Explain gill and lung respiration with diagram. Page number 144. Page number 144. Now listen carefully, children. It is really very important. In your higher classes, you are not supposed to read question, mug up particular word sentence as answers. Okay. Whatever content we have given, you should be in a position to explain in detail. For that, you should read the entire lesson. So, I have covered the important topics, important content under few questions and gave you as 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks and 10 marks. If you read the lesson 2 times fully and 3rd times read and as I have given the page number, mark the answers. 4th time, sit, copy exactly in your classwork as usual, writing the headings and the questions with black, answers with blue, neat, slow, clear handwriting. I am telling you, children, if you follow this very strictly, as I told you, reading the entire lesson 3 times and marking the answer 4th time and writing the answers, copying it in your classwork 5 times, this practice is enough. When you read 5th time the question, you will say the answer. Your brain is excellent. You don't know the power of your brain. If you train it properly, it will do wonders. You try now. Before writing the classwork, take the entire lesson, just like reading storybooks. How you will read storybooks, right? Just like that, read the entire lesson with the complete concentration, minimum 2 times, maximum 3 to 4 times. Then take your pencil, just listen my video and note down the page numbers, find the answers and mark. Okay, this is the answer for 2 marks question number 1, 2 marks question number 2, 2 marks question number 3, 3 marks question number 1, 3 marks question number 2, 5 marks question number 1, 5 marks question number 2, 5 marks question number 3, 5 marks question number 4. 10 marks question number 1, 10 marks question number 2, 10 mark question number 3. That's all. Then you start writing. So this will be your 5th time, right? Every point will be registered in your brain and with proper understanding, not just like memory or mug up answers. With understanding, your brain will get the answers. After that, if you prepare for the test, you will find it very, very easily. This will really work. Try. And one more thing. The questions what I gave you is descriptive type. And it covers the entire lesson content. But while preparing the question paper, you should not expect me to give the same. Say 2 mark means exactly what are the 3 questions I have given in 2 mark. No. You cannot expect like that. For example, see in your detailed answers, you have explained gill and lung respiration. Now, from that, I may take only gill and ask under 2 marks saying that explain gill's respiration. Have you got what I am coming to say? Last year also I have trained you in such a way. I will pick question from anywhere. And the headings will be anything. I may give fill in the blanks, choose match the following, true or false, definitions, one word answers, anything. But everything will be from the given questions. Now I have given you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 questions you are going to write. Under 2 marks, 3 questions. Under 3 marks, 2 questions. Under 5 marks, 4 questions. And 10 marks, 3 questions. If you write these questions thoroughly, clearly, slowly, without mugging up, just with concentration, if you copy, from this only I am going to ask all the test questions. You can answer for any type of questions. Okay, the straight questions also I will ask, detail and all as such from this I will give, but I may give different questions also for 2-3 marks, and one words also I will select and give, because last year also you have done that, you know very well, right? Only difference from last year to this year is, last year I used to tell you to find out the answers for the last questions, book back questions, and you were reading only book back questions. But while asking questions, I used to twist and ask, right? Now this year, small changes, you leave the book back questions, or at times I will ask from that also. For that, if you write the questions what I gave, you can write answers for anything, either book back or my own twisted, anything you can write. Okay children, let us stop our class with this, because this is only notes giving session. Let us meet in the next class with a new lesson. And to write this, you take 2 days. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Thursday, you send me the photos, the pictures of your completed answers, classwork. See, why I am giving you 2 days is, as usual, I used to tell you always in the last year, I want very beautiful, neat, mistake-free classwork. Now you are not going to copy from the board. When you copy from the board only, by mistake you will change the words and write, mistakes will come. Now you are sitting at home comfortably and you see the book and write answers, and I have asked straight questions. You need not twist your brain and write your own answers. You just check out the page number whatever I gave. First note down all the questions in a note and start writing from the page number. Really, you will find it easy. Write without mistake. Okay children? Okay, let us meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.